So you think prenuptial agreements are only for ultra wealthy or celebrities? Think again. What you don't know about Georgia prenups could cost you big time. Let me tell you about Jennifer. She's a successful marketing director, early 40s, remarried a few years after her divorce. When she came to me, she had one big regret, not getting a prenup the first time she got married, because her first marriage ended in a long, drawn-out legal mess that drained her savings and tied up her bonus checks for years. All of that could have been avoided with a prenuptial agreement stating the terms of a divorce settlement. Now, with her new fiance, things are much different. She had much more to protect now, and she wasn't going to take any chances. So let's get real. Do you need a prenup in Georgia? The short answer is if you built any kind of wealth, own a home, or have a retirement account, or you just want to keep your finances clear and fair, then yes, it's a smart move. Georgia courts do enforce prenuptial agreements as long as they're properly written, fairly negotiated, and signed without pressure or deception. Prenups are not about planning for divorce. They're about clarity, about removing the guesswork and emotion from decisions that should be black and white. You can outline how you'll handle property, debt, spousal support, even business interests in the event of a divorce. It doesn't mean that you're expecting the marriage to fail. It means that you're entering it with your eyes wide open. Here's what makes a prenuptial agreement valid in Georgia. First, both parties need to fully disclose their finances. That includes their income, their assets, and their debts. No hiding accounts, no fudging numbers. Second, it has to be signed voluntarily, without pressure, and ideally with plenty of time before the wedding. No courthouse scribbles the night before. And third, it has to be fair. If a judge sees something wildly one-sided, they can throw it out. But there are several things I do in my prenuptial agreements to make them bulletproof, especially for the element of fairness. I've seen prenups protect people's homes, future inheritance, even control over their own businesses. Jennifer's new prenuptial agreement gave her peace of mind, and her fiance got protections too. See, it wasn't about mistrust, it was about mutual respect. And by the way, if you're already married and wishing you had done this before you got married, well, good news. Georgia also allows postnuptial agreements, which work similarly but are signed after you're already married. The same rules still apply. So the truth is, the best time to create a prenuptial agreement is before there's tension, when everyone's on good terms, clear-headed, and focused on fairness, not revenge. It's one of the smartest legal moves you can make to protect your future self, your assets, even your kids from a previous marriage. We draft prenups and postnups all the time. If this is something you're thinking about, or even if you just have questions, we're here to help. No pressure, just a conversation to help you figure out what's best for your life and for your relationship. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. Please share these videos and leave us comments and ask us questions. We love questions. Also, join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you again on the next video.